What's up, everyone? All right, well, sitting here, green day, which is good, but I did get back half my gains, so I got knocked out. A couple of the things that usually will stop me from trading: if I hit my max loss in both accounts, I'm definitely done for the day. If I hit my daily goal and then give back half my profit, I'm done for the day. Or if I have 3 consecutive losses. And I had 3 consecutive losses, and on the third one, on the last one, I was basically giving back half my gains. I was up a high of about 24,000, and I'm up 13,000 right now. ENOB, it was our leading gapper, and we had some great momentum on it pre-market and at the open, but we also had some really nasty flushes where in one candle, it would drop $1 or even $2 a share. So I got caught in 2 of those, and yeah, easy come, easy go. It was a little bit of a tricky day, and I see some other stocks squeezing without me, and I feel a little bit of FOMO. Unfortunately, I knocked myself out, and you know, if I keep trading now and give into that FOMO, I could end up buying the top, and then very, very quickly going from up 13 to up only 8, or up only 3, or red on the day. I set these lines in the sand because typically once I give back a certain amount, I start to get sloppy, I start to get frustrated, and it just starts to snowball. So that's my day today. I hope you guys enjoy the recap. Easy come, easy go. As always, trading is risky. Even experienced traders like me have times where it feels like a struggle, but to have it feel like a struggle and still be green, I am very grateful for that. So I would encourage you, if you're a beginner trader, to assume that you will lose money trading, and with that assumption in mind, trade in the simulator before you put real money on the line. Prove you can make money in a simulator, because if you can't make money in a simulator, you've got no business putting real money on the line. All right, so with that said, I hope you enjoy the recap, and I'll see you first thing tomorrow. All right, everyone, so I'm gonna do a recap here. It's about 10 a.m., up 13,000, gave back half my gains, was up 24. So gave back almost half. I was up 600 on CRSR, Wall Street Bet stock. Small trades on it, nothing kind of exciting. Those were pre-market. And then ENOB, I made 24,000 on it, and then gave back half of it. It was really choppy. I had a nice trade pre-market. We've got this breakout here, which I didn't get in, but I chased it a little high. Continued up to 1188. Actually 1188, and then all the way up through 1238. Pulled back, got a dip at the open, got that squeeze up to 13, and then we got into this really choppy territory. So on this trade right here, I thought we were going to retest high a day. I lost almost 8,000 on that. And then I tried to get back in this area here on these choppy candles. I lost like 1,000, tried it again here, lost another 2,000. So at this point, I've had 3 losses, and I'm just giving back profit. This was cleaner pre-market and at the open, and it's gotten really choppy. So, and unfortunately, it's our leading gapper. We do have a few others, NOVN, which has been strong, but you know, I missed that, focusing on something else. RAPT was strong. Well, kind of pre-market, but I didn't get any trades on that. But unfortunately now we're just getting too late in the day for me. I usually do the best right at the open, and I did well, but then gave back half the gains. So really just by rule of thumb of number 1, giving back half the gains, and number 2, having at least 3 consecutive losers, I've just got to throw in the towel. It's too choppy for me. I'm not making good money. So it is what it is, you know, and even this RAPT right now, this is tempting because a break at the VWAP, that's a nice setup. You know, that's usually a setup that I would like. Unfortunately, this one has big spreads, lighter volume, and ultimately, it's not the strongest pattern because of this weakness that we saw earlier. So I suppose NOVN is the one that's the strongest right now, but that's tricky as well because I'd kind of be chasing it. You know, it's up there at 19. You know, how do I can't really get in up there, and it's so extended. The 5 minutes extended, so some of these are going to just go without you, and that's the way it is. And I'm grateful to be green. I want to be grateful for that profit right there and not try to chase the profit that I gave back. You know, when you start to get into chasing and revenge trading, some profit you gave back, you can start making mistakes. And, you know, here in this case, I would have been rewarded if I chased NOVN at 19. But, you know, on another day, well, you know, chasing ENOB on that last one right up here cost me $8,000. If you had chased ORPH, that just did a pretty nasty false breakout right there. And RAPT, where's that one at? That one's kind of holding, but you know, if it doesn't go, you get a nasty false breakout on that one too. So you just have to, at a certain point, throw in the towel and say, hey, I did the best I could today, and I'm not exactly where I wanted to be, but I'd rather be green than red. So this will make it, I think, my 15th consecutive green day. I'm glad for that, and not every day is going to be, you know, a grand slam home run. Some days I'm going to be left feeling a little FOMO, a little frustrated, and if I can let that just be what it is and come back tomorrow, that's the best thing, because while 13,000 isn't as good as 23 or 24, it's a lot better than 0, and it's a lot better than being red. And I could easily go to 0 or red if I take a FOMO trade and chase something expensive like this, you know, 10,000 shares of this, and I could be down $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 in a heartbeat. So, you know, it is what it is. Choppy day, choppy Monday, but I got green. I'm going to stay green. Unfortunately, I knocked myself out of the day a little on the early side, and as a result, I am going to miss some momentum. But if you get knocked out because you give back half your gains, at least you're walking away with money in your pocket. It's better than the people that lose half and then go start chasing stuff and then end up finishing the day red. I created this rule of walking away when I give back half my gains because I had enough times where after I gave back half, I just started to get more and more and more aggressive and frustrated, and I just would spiral, and then next thing you know, I'm red on the day. And I'd be like, wow, did I seriously just go from up $23,000 to red? And it can happen. So anyways, that's it for me. Interesting day, easy come, easy go, but you know, that's how trading is. It's risky. So I'll be back at it first thing tomorrow morning, and I'll see you guys then. All right, see you in the morning.
And that right there was an entire video with no ads. I don't monetize my YouTube channel with video ads, which means you guys get to enjoy the content. But do me a favor, please hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up and let YouTube know that this channel is the channel to watch if you want to learn about day trading.